Hi there! In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps on how to submit a support ticket via the Social VPS client area. Whether it's for technical issues, billing concerns, or general inquiries. First, start by logging into your account at SocialVPS.net using your registered email and password. If you haven't created an account yet, make sure to register first. Accurate login credentials are essential to access the ticket submission feature. Once you're logged in, head over to the main page and look for the Open Ticket menu. You can usually find it in the navigation bar or your dashboard. Click it to begin the ticket submission process. Next, you'll need to choose the right department based on your issue. Technical support for VPS-related issues. Billing support for questions about invoices or payments. Sales support for product or service inquiries. Choosing the correct department ensures your ticket is handled by the right team. Now let's fill out your ticket. Subject: write a clear and specific topic. For example, instead of writing help, write SSH access issue on VPS-001. This makes it easier for our team to understand the issue. Related service. If you have more than one VPS or service, choose the one related to your issue. Priority level. Low for non-urgent concerns, medium for issues that need attention soon, high for critical or urgent matters. This helps us prioritize based on urgency. Then, in the message field, describe your issue in detail. Be sure to include when the issue started, a step-by-step description of the problem, any solutions you've already tried. The more complete your message, the faster we can help. If needed, attach files to support your request. This can include proof of payment, screenshots of errors, or other relevant documents. When everything is filled out, click the Submit Ticket button. Your request will be forwarded to our support team, and you'll get an email confirmation that your ticket has been successfully submitted. Tips to help your ticket get resolved faster. Use clear and polite language. Be as detailed as possible. Keep checking your ticket status in the client area. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps you feel confident in using the ticket system. If you found it useful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit too. Good luck, and see you in the next tutorial.